In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in HubSpot Easy 2026 guide. Personalized subject lines are one of the fastest ways to lift open rates, and HubSpot makes it simple with tokens that pull in real data from your CRM. I'll walk you through creating a marketing email from scratch and inserting a token into the subject line, plus a quick tip on using a fallback so your message always looks polished. First, sign into your HubSpot account and head to the main dashboard. From there, navigate to Marketing and Open Emails. This takes you to your email management area where you can create and manage campaigns. Click Create Email to start a new one. When HubSpot asks for the type, choose Regular. This is the standard one-off marketing email, perfect for newsletters, announcements, or promotions. Next, pick Start from Scratch so you're working with a clean slate in the drag-and-drop editor. Once the editor opens, locate the Inbox Content panel. This is where your subject line and preview text live, and it's exactly where personalization makes the biggest impact. In the subject line field, add the core idea of your subject. Keep it short and clear so it fits well on mobile. Now, let's personalize it. Click the Personalize button within the subject line area. If prompted to choose an object, select Contact, since we typically personalize based on the person receiving the email. Click Select Token to open your property list. You can choose the property that best fits your strategy. In this example, open the Contact Owner category and select First Name. Remember, you can choose a different token if it better suits your message, but we'll continue with this option for now. When the fallback field appears, type a simple backup value like Hi. The fallback is what recipients will see if the token's data is missing, and keeping it short ensures the subject still reads smoothly. Think of it as your safety net for clean, consistent presentation. Click Insert, and HubSpot will place the token right into your subject line, complete with the fallback. You can move the token within the sentence, add punctuation, or adjust spacing so it reads naturally. For example, Hi token, quick update for you. When everything looks good, hover over Review and send to move toward your final checks. That's it. Your subject line now dynamically personalizes for each recipient, helping you capture attention the moment your email lands in the inbox.